Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo and this is June Online. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to trade with a minute trading strategy. So this strategy is based on the RSI and Heikin Hashi candlestick patterns. So watch this video to the end to make sure that you grab everything. On today's video, we'll be talking about a different strategy. This is a 10-minute strategy. So we'll set the time frame to 10 minutes and do trade duration to 10 minutes. The next thing that I want us to do is to change the chart from area chart to Heikin Hashi. Okay, so for those who don't know anything about Heikin Hashi is one of the best candlestick charts to use while trading in Olymp Trade. Because other than being a candlestick chart, you can also use it as an indicator. Okay, for example, if you look at it at the moment, we've already set it on the chart. If you look at it at the moment, you'll see that we have a lot of greens on the Euro USD pair. Okay, these greens mean that the market is trending upwards, and the red ones mean that the market is trending downwards. The small candlesticks, however, if you look at this point here, there is a downtrend, then there are small candlesticks with long lower wicks and long upper wicks. They depict a reversal. Okay, so if you see any of these candlestick with long lower wicks and long upper wicks forming at any particular point within a trend, that is a signal that the market is about to take a different direction. For example, if you are trading and you see that in an uptrend, what will come next is a downtrend. You see that in a downtrend, what will happen next is an uptrend. So what we'll be looking at is the formation of these candlesticks, the ones that are forming at any particular time, to make our trading decision. The next thing that I want us to do is to add the RSI. Okay, so this will be a confirmation tool to confirm whatever signal we get. We'll add the RSI onto the chart. Again, all oscillators work almost the same. Remember, we talked about the Williams percentile the other day. The only difference between the two is if you look at Williams percentile, the values begin at -20 and end at -80. You look at RSI, it begins at 30, +30, and it ends at 70. So what we are looking at to confirm any signals that are generated by the RSI is where the RSI is at any particular moment. For example, if you look at the RSI from this point after this reversal, you look at it, it goes above 50. So if it goes above 50 and the candlesticks are still green, that is a signal for you to trade up. It goes below 50, the candlesticks that are forming at red, you can continue to trade down. Again, when you want to confirm reversals with this trading strategy, what you look at is the candlesticks that are forming at the chart. Do they have long lower wicks and long upper wicks? If that is happening at any particular time, confirm where the RSI is. Is it below the 30 level? If it is below the 30 level, this is an oversold zone, and chances are, if it goes above that level, prices will continue to rise. On the flip side, if it is on the overbought zone, look at the candlesticks that are forming at that particular time. Do they have long lower wicks and long upper wicks? If they do, then that is a signal that the market may soon reverse. And when you are in the overbought zone, what do you expect? You expect that prices will reverse and take a different turn. It helps if the RSI has already gone from above 70 to below 70. So when that happens, you can trade down, as in this area, and make money with that strategy. So that is how simple it is. For example, at the moment, we are above 50. We can trade on that at the close of this candlestick, trade with $46. Before we do that, I didn't notice that the chart was on 15 seconds. We changed that to, again, this is now a downtrend, and look at this, the RSI is leaving the oversold zone and it's above 30. So what we'll do at the close of this candlestick, we will go up on that with $46. If you'd like to see how this trade turned out, click that subscribe button. Also make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I do more videos about Olymp Trade, you will be the first to get notified. Otherwise, you can practice with this strategy on your demo account. If you don't have an account, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it and create your trading account with Olymtrade. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.